Every day, individuals and organizations make decisions that support processes and impact communities in key sectors such as healthcare, education, and in humanitarian development. The quality of these decisions depends on the quality of the data that they collect. Traditionally, we used to collect data in manual paper forms that were not only cumbersome, but were also marred by high level of inaccuracies and also long data collection periods that affected the level of and time that we could make these decisions. With the modern technology, we have had modern ways of collecting data, such as the use of spreadsheets, the use of forms, and also the use of databases that has made it simple to collect data. One such platform is KoboToolbox, that provides a user-friendly platform and also allows users to collect data even in environments where internet access may be challenging. Hi everyone, my name is Ian, a statistician and a data analyst, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to use KoboToolbox to build forms for our data collection processes. We're going to learn how to build forms using the web version and also the XLSForms. We're also going to learn advanced features such as filtering and constraints that can help you improve the quality of data at the point of data collection and ultimately minimize the time spent on data cleaning and analysis. We're also going to learn how to integrate KoboToolbox with other data analysis tools such as R, Python, Excel, and also Power BI. So work with me as we learn in this tutorial and improve our data collection processes. See you soon.